Welcome to our channel Autism and Beyond, a journey with JNB. This is episode number 11, and in this episode we are displaying how normal ADL activities at home can improve the fine motor skills in the normal home environment.
Well, with Bryden, there were a few concerns in regard to his sitting tolerance, as which is very normal with children with autism. There's a lot of seeking of movement because of the excessive energies. But however, in the lockdown period, we noticed that he was keenly observing Joanne doing the household activities such as peeling of the corn, peeling of the green peas, and cleaning of coriander leaves, all these basic activities. So we said, why don't we also give him the opportunity to also explore and start.
That we need to keep experimenting with our kids with various strategies. You never know, which strategy would really work.
And to our utter surprise, we could see that Bryden was thoroughly enjoying this activity as well, and it brought a sense of achievement for both the children, for Joanne and Bryden. They are contributing to the household activities.
And if you see, Bryden is very meticulous in whatever activity he does. The way that he's plucking each and every leaf of coriander or the mint leaves from the branches, as well as the way that he plucks out the corn kernels out of the corn cob. The particular line that he follows, and then he comes back on the same line, that requires a lot of attention. So as a result of this, his sitting tolerance increased, as well as what we had mentioned earlier about him seeking a lot of movement. Those things were taken care of. So these ADL activities really help a lot. That small things which can be done at home can bring a lot of difference in our kids. Also, what we have been doing, is we walk with our kids,
through the process
of cooking, as to from the moment they start peeling the corn from the corn cobs, the peeling of the green peas or the coriander. So they themselves they add these items when they are being cooked, and once the food is cooked, they can literally see the efforts, the green peas, the corn. They can see this is a visual treat for them. So the end of it, when the child sees their effort, in whatever they are relishing, that makes a lot of difference.
And finally, this also adds to the to the what should I say, to the taste, or actually the food that we as parents also
A
can.
lot of contentment.
Yeah, it's a lot of contentment that our children have done this, and this is how we are actually holistically living
doing
now.
it, yeah, and together we are doing it as a family. And I think food is coming out better than it used to be early, ordering from outside or whatsoever, like in lockdown.
So thank you everyone for watching another episode of our channel, for supporting us, and for being a part of our journey, for all the love, the affection, and please continue to be a part of our journey, and please continue to share, like and subscribe, and stay blessed and stay healthy.
Yeah, please continue to share, because there are a lot of families out over there who really feel that nothing can be done at home in lockdown. But these are small million things, that can be done, and a lot of improvement can be achieved. And these things, what we do, what we call technically as fine motor skills, that really help in the long run when the kids even grow up to be the
Adults,
future
young
adults.
adults.
Yes.
So
this is one message really I need to convey to our viewers.
Yeah, and finally we need to believe in our children, and things do happen and wonders do happen, and this is what we need to understand. Our children need us, and we need to be alongside with them.
So thank you everyone once again for watching, and let's see you
In the next episode.
in the next episode.